Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today we'll be making Indian Musk soap. Those are the colors I'll be using, and this is the lye water going into the oils. The oils I use are vegan and organic. I'm going to go ahead and blend these together. These recipes I use coconut oil, palm oil, and olive oil, and a little bit of castor oil. So here I'm going to divide this up into two different colors. And this is a fragrance going in. This smells really good. It's like a blend of Middle Eastern spices combined with sandalwood and musk. It smells really nice. This is also a very good gender neutral fragrance. I'm going to be putting in gold mica here, and those little cups that I'm using are biodegradable and reusable. Gold comes out as a warm peachy tone. It doesn't actually keep that shimmery look once it becomes soap, because the soap is opaque, but it gives a unique color, I think, so I like to use it. The other color I'm using is going to be this green color. I'm going to blend these together. So while this is liquid, that gold is still going to look gold, but then as it sets up, it's going to have a more matte finish. I'm just going to blend this up now. And I'm going to do an in the pot swirl, so I'm just going to pour these two together. And I'm going to stir it up a little bit. And then I'm going to pour this into the mold. I'm going to tap out the air bubbles at the end when I'm finished. But first I'm going to put a little bit of this color at the top, just so that I could put a nice design. And then we'll put some of that same gold, but I'll leave it on top as a shimmer. And what I'm doing this time is I want drops of gold on the top instead of lines, so I'm just using the spatula to pick up some of the oil that's been mixed with the gold, and I'm just going to drip it on top of the soap here. I'm just going to drag the stick through these gold drops to give it a different design, but I'm not going to put in any more swirls or anything. Then after this, I'm going to sprinkle on some more of the gold dust, so it'll have both the shimmery gold oil drops and also this shimmery gold powder on top as well. And then I'm going to bang out the bubbles. And this is how it looks. We'll come back tomorrow to cut it. So it's been about a day, and we're going to slice this up into bars so you can see that gold color inside the soap has become a more matte color, but the gold accents on top remained shiny. And this is how it looks on the inside. It has a nice swirly look to it. And you can see how that gold turned into a warm light peachy color. But the top still looks shimmery and pretty. And that's the last bar. And these are the end pieces that I'll cut up for samples. If you like this bar, it'll be available February 1st in my Etsy shop. I'll upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.